Hey guys, here Mike Martin for Danchuk Manufacturing, coming to you live from Bowling Green and the Danchuk Trifive Nationals. It's a wonderful day here, a typical Kentucky summer day, and lots of beautiful cars, lots of beautiful people, and just a lot of stuff to come here and see. Let's just give a little turn around here and see what we can do here. The camera angle here. There we go. And as you can see, we've just got cars and cars and cars. Now people are kind of sheltering in place right now. It's a little warm and muggy. But other than that, it's been a beautiful day. Threat of rain has been nothing really. So we got some clouds out there. We'll just kind of come along for a little stroll here. We'll just kind of come around here and look at some of the cars here. Let's just take this all in. I mean, just look at this beautiful Tri-5s for as long as you can see. Let's kind of walk along here and check it all out. This is the first day, and it's been just a busy day for us here at Danchuk. It's the first time we've had a booth here, an official booth where we've had merchandise. We have t-shirts for sale, bandanas for sale, tin signs for sale. Come on down, and also we're having a drawing for some Yeti cups with Danchuk's logo on it, and just a great opportunity to win that. And also being entered into that, you also win an opportunity for the Danchuk VIP experience for the Tri-5 Nationals for next week. Or excuse me, next year. Sorry, crazy from the heat. Anyways, that includes registration for next year, accommodations, and also a travel voucher. So whether you're going to drive out here, fly out here, we're going to help you get here for next year's Tri-5 Nationals. Anyways, as you can see, it's just as far as you can see. I haven't gotten a tally yet on the number of cars here, but they just keep coming. Tonight, later, we're going to have a bunch of people at the host hotel. Lots of good stuff going on there. And just an amazing, amazing show. It's another one in the books. This thing is just going off the hook. Lots and lots of just beautiful cars here to see. Just keep on going, and they just so many unique things to see. If you're a Tri-5 lover or even just a classic car lover, you've got to make it to this show. Put it on your list for next year, or if you're in the area, get out here now. There's still lots to do and lots to see. Tomorrow, the carnival area will be open. That's where the roller coaster stuff is going on. And so there's something there for the kids to do who want to get them preoccupied while you run over here and check out the car show. So anyways, just kind of panning around here, taking it all in. Just an amazing day and an amazing turnout. So make sure you put this one on your bucket list, guys. This is Mecca for Tri-5 owners. Just an incredible day. We'll kind of try to go back around to the track area a little later on. We've been really swamped at the Danchuk booth, so haven't been able to get away from that. So maybe I can get away from that for a little bit and go get some race action. So stay tuned. This is Mike Martin from Danchuk Manufacturing, coming to you from the Danchuk Tri-5 Nationals in Bowling Green, Kentucky.